Hey guys, this is just going to be a super quick tutorial showing you how to import brushes into Photoshop. So if you have an ABR file of someone's brushes and you want to be able to use them, this is what you're going to do. So first thing I'm going to do is open up a new canvas, so File, New, any settings will do for this. I'm going to press B on my keyboard or select Brush in the left hand panel. I'm going to right click anywhere on the canvas which shows us our brushes. I'm going to go to this little cog icon, I'm going to click Load Brushes, and then we need to find the ABR file within our computer files. So wherever you've saved it, so this is just one that I'm making for Gumroad, and I'll put a link to this in the description box below. So you can see this is what the brush files look like for me. So I'm going to click Load. So back to our brushes, if you scroll to the bottom you'll see it here. So for me it's these last three here. You'll notice I have duplicates because I tested it once off camera. And that's it. And I've created this mainly for people that have supported me on Gumroad, just to make it nice and easy for them to import brushes. And I plan on putting a few more on there as well. I will put a link in the description box below. But that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know what other tutorials you guys want to see in the future. And be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more content. Thanks everyone.